Okay, so this is our first video in the Photoshop 101 section. It's going to be about downloading Adobe Photoshop. So you're going to go to adobe.com. This is going to be their homepage here. If you click on this Creativity and Designs drop down, you're going to be able to see at the bottom, View All Pricing and Plans. So Adobe is or Photoshop is a monthly subscription. I don't recommend. There's a lot of people out there that are selling, copies of this for $5 or $20 or $10, one-time access to it. You buy it once and you get it. I don't recommend using this. You run the potential risk of getting viruses and other things, and then also you don't get the update options that Adobe has. If they release a new update for Photoshop or for something like that, you're not going to be able to access those because you don't have the actual plan here. So I don't recommend doing them. If you want to do it and you choose to do it, that's fine, but things may look a little bit different on your version than what the version that I'll be going through this series with. So your best bet is just to use the Photoshop pricing plans here. So you've got a few different options. Your best option is going to be this first one here, the photography bundle with the 20 gigabytes. You see that it is $9.99 a month, so $10 a month, and it comes with both Lightroom and Photoshop. Also comes with Lightroom Classic. You can use Photoshop for your desktop or your iPad, so that's pretty nice if you have an iPad. But this is your best option. The difference between this one and then Photoshop by itself here, you see Photoshop just by itself is $21 a month. The two differences is this one comes with Adobe Fresco for drawing and painting. I've never used Adobe Fresco. I don't have any idea really what it is. I assume it just helps you draw or paint better on like a tablet, maybe if you're using like a stylus pen. But that $10 price difference comes in with the cloud storage. So with this version here, if you were to buy this one for $21 a month, that has 1 terabyte of cloud storage, which is completely unnecessary. 20 gigabytes of cloud storage is just fine. I actually use 0 of my cloud storage. I store everything that I design and make on my computer and then to a portable hard drive. So not necessary at all to get this $21 Photoshop. Plus with this one you get Lightroom, which is a cool little add-on there for you to kind of mess around with and do some things with if you're into photography. So that's not a bad option. But click this, you get click on the Buy Now button. It's going to pop up your little box here. If you're a new user or an existing user, you just fill in your email address and then it'll continue on with your payment options. The next video I'm going to show you what it looks like when you launch the Adobe Creative Cloud, which is the program that you're going to use to then launch Photoshop. Everything's kind of stored inside of Creative Cloud, but I'll give you an overview of what Creative Cloud looks like, and then we'll get into launching Photoshop and setting all that up. So we'll see you in the next video.